Hi everybody, welcome to this new video on the Tiny C2N Monitor. I've just added in the interception for Turrican loader names, so I was keen on testing the outcome of that. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, the display is much smaller in the very tiny version of the monitor I've made. There you go, the CBM loader pilot. And as you can see, the second line has already changed to Turrican, which we already saw in the past. So this is the CBM ROM file name extraction side of things. So the CBM file is over, and the PG file has just started. And as you can see, this is a turbo loader part. And the phone has decided to ring just now, but let's get to this bit first. So this is still the PG file. It's over now. And there you go. This is the ME file. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.